Hello everyone, welcome to Shadakut. Our today's recipe is Methi Thepla. It's a very popular Gujarati recipe and great for winter season. So let's start. So here we have about 3 cups of wheat flour. To that we are adding about 1/4 cup of gram flour. So next here we have about 2 cups of fenugreek leaves or methi. We have washed the methi now properly from the water, and then you need to put it in hot water. Add some salt, leave it in the salty water for about 5 minutes and then drain it. Lastly, we have finely chopped it. Now let's add in our methi into the flour mixture. Next we are adding about 1 teaspoon of ginger chili paste. To that we are adding 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds. Now let's add in our spices. Salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of amchur powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's mix all our ingredients. Now we're going to add about half cup of milk. If you want, you can also use yogurt instead of milk. Lastly, we're going to add water. Keep adding water until you get a nice dough consistency. So here we have formed the dough. Lastly, we're going to coat it with some oil. And now let it sit for 20 minutes. So let's start making the thepla. So here we are going to take about ball size amount of the dough, dust it with flour. Now we're going to roll it into the shape of the rotis, but this need to be really very thin. When it turns out to be sticky, you can dust some more flour. So you can see it's very thin. Next we're going to heat the pan, put our thepla. So we're going to let it cook from the other side. So let's flip it over. It has cooked a little bit. Now we're going to spread oil. Now we're going to flip it again, and it's also cooked from the other side, and we're going to spread the oil on the other side too. Now we're going to flip it and we're going to press it, and you can see it has got a very beautiful brown color, and the thepla is done. So thepla is ready. You can serve it with achar or yogurt. It is very tasty and it's very soft because we added milk to it. Really simple to make, so do try it and let us know how does it comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.